Christmas time sure is an exciting time, so festive and fun. And when I think of Christmas, I think of cookies. And my pal, MommaFriendly, is hosting a Christmas cookie collaboration, so I thought I'd show you 2 exciting Christmas cookies. The first cookie I'm making is a Peppermint Shortbread cookie. Let's make it. Let's grab a bowl. I need 2 sticks of room temperature butter. I'm gonna cream it with 3/4 cups of sugar. 3/4 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract, and a couple drops of red food coloring. Mix that together. I'm going to be adding 2 1/4 cups of flour, a little at a time, and mixing it in. I got these crushed candy cane pieces, and I've added 3/4 of a cup and mixing it in. I'm going to drop it onto some plastic wrap, and then I'm going to form it into a 1-foot long log. And let's toss this log right into the fridge for about 6 hours, up to overnight. It sure has firmed up. It's ready to be chopped. Cut into 1/2-inch pieces and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 for 12 minutes or until the edges have started to brown. Candy cane shortbread cookies. Very buttery, and love that crunch. Who's ready for another Christmas cookie? I sure am. We're gonna be making gingerbread brownies next. You need to line a 9x9 with parchment paper. You need 2 bowls, 1 for wet, 1 for dry. In the wet bowl, we need 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar. Add 2 sticks of melted butter and mix that well. 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of molasses, teaspoon of vanilla, and mix it in. In the dry bowl, we need 2 1/2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix it together. Gradually mix in that flour mixture. And then you're gonna spread that into your baking dish. And you bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Dust with some powdered sugar. Gingerbread brownies. I love gingerbread, and these taste incredible. Thank you, MommaFriendly, for hosting this awesome Christmas cookie collaboration. To see more exciting Christmas cookies, check out the link in my description. Why didn't the gingerbread man have any teeth? Chronic gingivitis.